Immerse yourself in the wonders of nature. Did you know the Amazon rainforest, often dubbed the lungs of the earth, produces a staggering 20% of the world's oxygen? Take a moment to marvel at the baobab trees of Africa, which can store up to 32,000 gallons of water in their trunks. Incredible, isn't it? And let's not forget the Pacific Ocean, home to the Mariana Trench, the deepest point on Earth, reaching a depth of over 36,000 feet. Finally, the Himalayas, our planet's highest mountain range, are still growing taller by almost an inch every year. Nature truly is a spectacle of endless wonder. So keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, every day offers a new discovery. Until next time, stay curious. Day.